Hi everyone, welcome back to Super User Project Dial. Today we are going to be taking a look at Ubuntu. First of all, I really like the interface of Ubuntu. It's definitely different coming from Windows, but I think you'll enjoy it if you don't mind getting used to it. So as far as utilizing the computer's power, I think it does pretty good, if you compare it to Windows or something like that. But there's definitely ones that are better at this, but I think overall, this is one of my favorite operating systems. So even if it does take up a little extra CPU or RAM, I think it's still a good choice. But it's definitely pretty consistent, as with all of these, it takes whatever when you're doing whatever, and so it doesn't go up and down from, updates in the background or something like that, like Windows. As far as utilizing the computer's power, I think it does pretty good, if you compare it to Windows or something like that. Keep in mind that if you are new to Linux, you will probably like this as far as, the ease of use. You can install software from a software center. It doesn't have to be from the terminal. Of course, you can always do it, if you're installing a program that they only have on the program's website. You can always do that. But you can install software from the software center, which is nice. So I think as far as stability, as with all operating systems like this, it's very good. You can have uptimes of very long time, and if there's an issue, it's usually not because it's unstable and you need to restart it or something like that. It's usually something else. So I think that's a good thing about this operating system. And also security is very good because you have to enter your password when you're installing stuff, for one thing, to get any super user permissions. And you normally install from the terminal, with the package managers, or from the software center for this one. So security is also very good. So I think everything is good for this operating system. The performance is definitely not the best as far as these operating systems, but I think it's pretty good. So for me, this is probably my favorite operating system. Definitely my favorite Linux operating system. Anyway, we will see you next time.